And what he's virtually saying is that if you make any criticism of Islam or Muslims at all, Muslim people will not give you information about other people who are planning to murder innocent civilians.
Rubbish.
We just cannot accept that equation.
No.
And he has fueled a great deal of anger within the Liberal Party. This is also a very big misjudgment by Malcolm Turnbull, who keeps saying in public, I speak about Muslims the way ASIO tells me to. Well, again, that is a gross misuse of ASIO's moral authority. We trust ASIO with all kinds of very extraordinary powers because we trust that they're dedicated, non-political people. Now, if they start to tell you what you're allowed to say and what you're not allowed to say, that's a very, very dangerous...
Reminds me of my time listening to what the Communist Party in China did when I lived in China. Like, if we all have to shut up and not call it truthfully, there'll be no more attacks. Is that what he's saying is right? So we put all our trust into Duncan Lewis's hands. Like fun, we will. Greg, well written today, and thank you very much for providing time for us this morning. Merry Christmas to you too, by the way.
And to you, Chris. Thanks so much.